Hello everybody, I'm Xander from Fun King 3D. Welcome to this week's episode of Xander's Thing Thursday. So, why did the boy throw margarine out the window? To make a butterfly.
Xander's Thing Thursday, hey, bringing 3D printed things every single Thursday. It's Xander's Thing Thursday, yeah, Xander's Thing Thursday.
I chose this model to give to my mom. It was designed by 8ran on Thingiverse. There will be a link to it in the description below. This was printed on the Robo 3D R1 Plus with a 210 degree nozzle, a 60 degree bed, and a 0.2 layer height. I chose this filament because it's one of my mom's favorite colors. This is a really cool model and it articulates well. I used a little bit of magic glue on the bed so that I can take it off easily without any breakage. Thank you for tuning into this week's episode of Xander's Thing Thursday. If you like what I'm doing, please subscribe and ring the bell for notifications. A thumbs up is always appreciated as well. Until next week, as always, print on. So why did the boy throw margarine out the window? To make a butterfly. I definitely failed.
Margarine?
Margarine, it's the same thing.
No, margarine. I don't know if that's like some chick that hangs out down at the Wawa, but it's margarine.
Margarine, whatever. Okay. Okay. Hey everybody. So, how do you get rid of butterflies in your stomach? You stop eating caterpillars.